What is up, YouTube? Yarso Cycles here with the same story. I see a bike, I like a bike, I buy a bike. Like I have sweet spots for all kinds of weird stuff. Right now, 26-inch bikes are just popping up left and right, and I can't stop myself from buying them. This is one of them. It is a Gary Fisher Hoki Hokoiko. That right there. I don't know how to say it. I tried to say it a few times before I turned on the camera and I couldn't say it, so Hokoiko. Close enough. And same story. This one was marketplace. Guy was selling 3 bikes for 100. I was like, hey, how much for the blue one? He said 30 bucks. I showed up with 20. He took it. Guys, like, he didn't know what he had. He didn't know. How do I know he didn't know? Because he didn't take good pictures. Now, if it was me, I would have taken a drive side picture. Show all that glory right there, all that grease based on glory. Look at that. But what we're gonna do today, I already did some work on some other bikes. That's why like all my bikes are out right now. Shout out to my homeboy Anthony, who came by and helped me. But yeah, we did a few bikes. So all I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna just take this one apart and find some place to put her in my garage where she's not in the way, which is impossible. And then slowly I will clean her part by part, and then we'll go off that. So this is just a tear down video. Okay, that's not coming out. It's not coming out, but that's okay. I'm gonna show you a trick when I come to rebuild it, how to do it with that still in there. Let's go ahead and take a look at all this stuff right here. So this is all Shimano Dior, Shark Tooth, hoo ha ha. And obviously that part didn't want to come out. The only thing not original from what I could tell is that back rim. That one is a Shimano Dior. Right there with the quick release. What are they? Araya MR20s, I think. Yeah. And then thummies. I love thummies because they always work. Fisher Bulge. That's pretty cool. Original Fisher bars. So yeah, that's the deconstruction, and I'll do some cleaning later on. Maybe on video, maybe not. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know.